You guys ready for something thrilling? Something epic? Something even Ratchet has shifty eyes about? And sweet dance moves? Anyways, it's time for the grand finale of all of this. There is going to be one thing afterwards that I have to show, but we'll get to that. God. Off my bridge. My bridge over the River Clyde. Get dead. Stop. They do not make this easy on me. Why should they? You made it this far. Done? Alright. Here we go.
This is it, the Protopet duplication room.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Did she like
I had some trouble
T-pose
with
in
the
there?
guards.
No problem. You're just in time. Okay, let's see if this thing works.
Hey, it's her.
She is trying to tell us something.
Maybe words would help. That's Big Mouth. She an infobot?
Hi now, enjoy the hygienator. Remember, you bought it from Steve. Steve McQuark. Steve.
Who could have
I
guessed?
sold my 1 millionth hygienator. I can finance the comeback of the greatest superhero who ever lived, Captain Quark. All I need now is a new galaxy with a new fan base, so I can rescue them from a new disaster.
What? Oh.
But
Sir, I do not understand.
Mr. Fizzwidget?
What the fuck? Oh, thank God.
This is
Oh,
bad.
wait, no, that's still bad.
All right, just what the is going on?
I second that.
Allow me to explain. I'm about to save the galaxy from the Protopets, and you are about to become public enemy #1. Oh, and 2 and 3. Guards, seize them!
Well, this can't be good.
It's showtime! Citizens of Bogon, I am Captain Quark. I come to you in this, your darkest of hours, to shine the flashlight of justice on your galaxy.
His chin clips into his chest.
flashlight of justice? Oh,
As you know, a living menace called the Protopet has been set loose in your galaxy. But fear not, Bogonites. I, Captain Quark, have caught the perpetrators. Yes, good citizens, these are the masterminds behind Megacorp's experiment with death. And now, with this, super electro gadget I invented, I will end the Protopet threat once and for all.
Why does it need that many
That's
dongles?
my Elixamorph. I invented.
Ahem. Stay tuned, dear viewers, as I amplify the signal from this helixo thingy and render every Protopet in the galaxy completely harmless. Allow me to demonstrate.
Uh-oh.
Bobby.
Yeah, I don't blame them.
does that helixomorph actually work?
It used to. I could probably fix it.
Come on, Clank. Let's get it back.
Final boss time, King Protopet. You can return to your ship. You can return to wherever the other place was. Make sure you're maxed out on ammo, weapons, all the good stuff. This guy does not go down easy. So it was Captain Quark as Mr. Fizzwidget the whole time. That explains the language. Oh, and I'm actually not going to use this in the fight, so it helps. Yeah, you can do some damage to Mr. King Protopet before the fight even starts. It's, again, kind of a good idea too. Let's do this! That's the reason why. 8 vaporizer shots and that's what you get. Alright. Let's start. Keep strafing. We get ammo drops, which is good. Goes right by him. Okay, I was wondering why I wasn't locked on. And he can eat the ammo drops. And why are you firing gaseous missiles at me? No! No! This is bad. Stop with that. Okay, note to self. Pick up the ammo drops as soon as possible. So, King Protopet. Ooh, jeez. That's what this guy's for. Hello, Plasma Storm. King Protopet is a mountain of health. That's mostly it. And, at some point, he gets angry and just keeps face planting the ground until it breaks. And then goes right back on to attacking you. I'm pretty sure he can eat these guys and do something with them too, so don't let him. That'll eat up all the Protopets he's spitting and do some damage to him. Yeah, while the ball's bouncing around inside him, it's doing some nice damage. Also, there's a phrase. What? Oh, it summoned Tanks below there. Killanoid. Mega Rocket Cannon. I was wondering why I saw... Oh. Oh, hey, that's attractive. Nope. And cheesy. That can't be good. Oh! Fiery balls of death. Charge up. And release. Running out of ammo here. Tanks sure aren't helping. Time for a mini nuke. Or 2. 3. Oh, shields back up. Thank you, Tesla Barrier. You are invaluable here. Also, frame rate slowdown. Also, boom, asshole. And stay down.
You did it!
Woo! Wait a second.
It's okay. This is the real Mr. Fizzwidget. Quark had him tied up in a supply closet all this time.
Yeah, it's very
You
Quark.
have my most profound gratitude.
It was nothing, sir.
Hey, proper
I'm
enunciation.
sorry we couldn't get the Helixomorph back. Right. What do you suppose is wrong with it?
I don't know. It could take months of research and...
The battery isn't backwards.
Oops. God damn it.
Imbecilic to the very last.
Boop.
Down, boy.
I just have to amplify the device with Megacorp's TV transponders, and that should cure the other Protopets.
Clank? Oh. It's okay. I can fix her.
We fixed you at the end of the last
promise.
game. That sounded vaguely weird. Whatever. And that's it. Woohoo! These are the people who made the game. They're awesome. These are the developers, programmers. They're just the main people of Insomniac Games. David Pritchard. Big Vic Murillo. Ricardo Hernandez. Rast 3D. Craig Goodman. John Goodman's younger brother. Didn't get as many roles. Jeff Gorlock Evans. Don't ask how he got the nickname. He still regrets it. Chad Deezern. As in Deezerns. I'm being an asshole. Why isn't Gregory S. Baldwin capitalized? Why did I notice that? Cerny Games. Mark Cerny. David Burgard. You do some good music.
So, what do you like to do for fun? Oh, my goodness.
Skiing. It's actually skiing.
So, whatever happened to Quark?
I heard he was working at Megacorp.
So,
Really?
you fellas new here? You boys should sign up for the new Probomatic. That little baby cleans you something fierce. I
TMI?
just got done testing the full body waxinator. I am personally sporting a smooth chassis.
Okay.
And there are no tags on my luggage.
And pass the bleach,
Alright then.
please.
Catch you later.
Subject 23A, please report immediately for crotchetizer testing.
Well, duty calls.
Just gonna wipe that from my memories too. Ugh, whoop, that was loud. So, Ratchet and Clank 2. Definitely a step up from Ratchet and Clank 1, which is already a pretty great game. Improved on a lot of things, did have a couple of faults, mainly how much bolts you need and everything. And it did get really tough towards the end. But, very good game. Very good improvements. Love it. Love the third game, which I will play eventually. Hopefully it won't be another, what was it, fucking 3 years or something to that. Probably won't. I'm definitely working on fixing up my channel a bit more. I'm kind of getting a bit upset. Why is everything ordered by their first name instead of last name? That just bothers me for some reason. Alphabetized by the first name. James Arnold Taylor as Ratchet. Jim Ward. And I missed the other guy. Roger Bumpass. I'm sorry, Roger. You do great work. It's just... you poor guy. Steve Bloom. Everybody take a shot. Background engine was developed with code by Naughty Dog. We'd like to thank each individual, help, cool peoples. Special thanks to all the Naughty Dogs. Buzz Burrows. I thought that said Buzz Brownies at first, and I was like, is that an actual place that like sells brownies? That'd be cool. Steve Martin, just because, you know, Steve Martin should always be thanked for things. Bill Wright. I have no idea who that is, but yeah. Our patients, spouses, children, parents, girlfriends, boyfriends, and pets. And waifus. No sheep were harmed in the making of this game. For the most part. The one that was had it coming. He was an asshole anyways.
All right, fellas, nice and tight now. So you tested this, right? Oh, wait, that's why I'm here. Oh, one more thing.
Woohoo! So, this is what you get for beating the game. Your choice to time warp before we defeated Quark, or play a new game in challenge mode. Challenge mode's a great way to earn a ton of bolts playing through a tougher version of the game. Keep all your weapons and upgrade them further by purchasing mega upgrades. And the specials menu for new features. I'm trying to remember if I can do the thing that I need to do in the new thing. We'll time warp for now. And, do I go all the way back? Or no, it has my, teleportation. Sweet. Alright, so those things unlock in challenge mode. We'll go over the bonuses and everything in the next episode, because they're pretty awesome and they're pretty worth it. But as I was saying, I got some things I want to do with my channel. I got to really learn how to edit. I got to do some other stuff. I got a new job, which should leave me with an actual consistent schedule, so it'd be a lot easier to do these if I wasn't switching from day to night to graveyard. Yeah, that's what happens when you say I can work any shift, and they're like, we'll have you work every shift. But anyways, Ratchet and Clank 2. Glad I finished it, and at some point I'll move on to the next project, or a couple other things I need to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys sometime later with something else. See you then.